Alright, hello everyone. I just wrote a small tool. It's called the invisible teleprompter. So why did I make this tool? Well, I do record video tutorials quite often, you know. Before, I basically said whatever came to mind, or whatever I dreamed up. It didn't feel very professional. Now, I want to do things properly. So, first, I write a spoken script. Then I follow the script and do the operations while recording the screen. That works much better, but that creates a problem. When I display the script, the screen recording captures it too. So, what do we do? Then I asked the AI. I asked if there was a way to display text that only the naked eye can see, but that screen recording tools can't capture. It said there was, and recommended a few programs. It also explained how they work. I said, since you've already explained the principle, why don't you write one for me? So I had it write one, and it just wrote it out. The AI used is DeepSeek V for Flash. Let me show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, it's up and running. But I bet you can't see it right now, because I need to switch its state first. Now you should be able to see it. It's an editing interface. You can copy and paste your text into it. If I click this invisibility toggle, it disappears immediately. But I can still operate it. I can drag it around. Now let me turn invisibility off. And you'll notice, its position has changed. Why? Because I was dragging it around just now. You can set the text size, the teleprompter font size, and the scroll speed. Because once it enters teleprompter mode, the text scrolls downward. Of course, you can also pause the scrolling. You can also scroll through the text with your mouse. Now I'm entering teleprompter mode, and you won't be able to see it at all. But when I move my mouse over here, you can see a drag indicator appear. So it's still operable, after all. I can drag it around. That way I can keep recording while doing other things. I just move it somewhere convenient. If I press the F2 shortcut, it comes right back. You can customize the shortcuts yourself. There are some other settings in there, such as switching between edit mode and teleprompter mode. You can also set a hotkey for click-through mode. It can also switch to an English interface. Okay, so that's basically all it does. I've uploaded it to GitHub. Once you're on GitHub, search for Teleprompter Rust. And you'll find the repository. It's open source and free. There are release builds available for download. I only made a Windows 10 release build, which is an exe file. Just run it and you're good to go. Open source and free. Modify it however you like. Feel free to fork it or add your own features, because, strictly speaking, I'm not really the author. Look closely. The author is DeepSeek V for Flash. I'm just the assistant. I just typed a few prompts. Okay, that's what this video is about. Thanks for watching. See you next time.